Well. It has been a while, and I'm so pleased to say that I am officially back and here to share with you a little bit of background on the past 2 years, where I've been, which has quite literally been in the trenches, honestly. And somehow I came out on the other side, and I just feel really inspired to relaunch my channel and share with you not only a little bit of vulnerability and backstory on where I'm headed to with my channel, but also how I want to help you as well. So, officially, welcome to Her Money Mentor. I'm Lise Garcia, a finance coach. I'm launching Her Money Mentor because I'm passionate about money. It's inspired by the fact that most women, actually more than 50% of women, avoid discussing money with their friends because they tend to find it uncomfortable. Finance can feel really intimidating, and I assure you, it doesn't have to be. It can feel really scary because there's so much that we don't know, but we all know someone who excels at managing their money, and in my network, that actually happens to be me. So the best part is I'm super passionate about money and sharing money with you. So I'm here to share all the knowledge that I have so that you can take whatever you need to grow your wealth and become successful. In fact, my money journey has really helped me with my mental health as well. And so I'm a huge advocate about financial literacy. So don't misunderstand now. Now, don't misunderstand. My financial savvy isn't something that I've always had, but I have always naturally been good with handling debt, handling credit, and handling budget. Perhaps it's because I'm a Capricorn. However, during the pandemic, that really served as a wake up call for me. I had the job of my dreams and I was traveling as a hotel auditor. And when the pandemic came and we all got locked down, I got to a point where I was relying on EBT food cards and unemployment benefits. That's how ill prepared I was because it was a situation that I just didn't anticipate and truly wasn't ready for it. But within the 2 years, I pretty much started from scratch and I became self employed as a business consultant. I achieved remarkable success. I saved my first $100,000 and I did it twice. I purchased two properties, one personal and one business investment. I've secured well over an 800 credit score, and I've even bought two of my dream cars, all without a personal guarantee. Additionally, I've built $50,000 in business credit while teaching others to do the same. And this entire time, have remained consumer debt free. So, how did I do it? Was it about skipping the Starbucks? Not really. It stemmed from my dedication to learning about money. My mission is to empower women to discuss their budgets, spending habits, and their investment strategies openly and confidently. Finance can feel like a male dominated field, but I'm also aimed to make it more approachable for women. After all, men often lack the understanding of how essential our expenses can be, like hair appointments or our morning coffee. This can contribute to our overall well being. And I do believe that feminine finance is completely different, and that of which we get shamed for can play a vital role in our mental health. So, while I'm not a certified financial planner yet, I have held financial licenses in the past, along with a business bachelor's degree. And to be candid with you, they haven't proven to be as useful as I'd hoped for. So, let me be transparent about myself and the expectations for my channel. As a woman in finance, I've often felt like professionals around me talk at me. I'm treated as if I'm simply a wall to be lectured at, and it can feel really frustrating. So, to ensure a more interactive experience, I really want to encourage you to connect with me on social media and engage with my content. And this will help me learn more about you as well and your financial needs because that is really what I'm here to do is help you. Now, together, we'll navigate the world of finance one step at a time. Her Money Mentor will cover a range of topics, including personal finance, personal and business credit, investing, wealth building strategies, and anything else that can equip you to manage your money effectively. So, by the way, I do have a full-time job, and even though there is actually early retirement at 40 is really doable for me. I technically don't have to work, but I love what I do, and I really enjoy helping others. Having a W 2 income, a retirement plan with employer contributions, and health insurance provides valuable security for me while I pursue my passion. So I really feel like job shaming is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. Because of that, we'll also delve into career and entrepreneurship to help you develop a deeper understanding of financial mindset and achieve the freedom to pursue your dreams. So remember, everyone's financial needs are totally unique. The generic advice you find online might seem really overwhelming. And by prioritizing your financial education, what you know and what you can learn, you'll strengthen your ability to build your wealth independently. So, the foundation of my financial knowledge, it rests on the core principles of cash flow, credit management, and leveraging assets. So, by mastering those concepts, it will really help you translate your aspirations into reality. This is a very customized process for every single person. So I am not here to talk at you. I'm here to talk with you and for you. You can take what you need and leave what you don't. And just remember, I'm also someone that's growing and learning every day and sharing with you things that I know to be true and things that have worked for me as well. So in the business world, planning for launch and exit strategies are really crucial, but often they're the most neglected. I believe our personal lives mirror this reality. So many of us struggle with a lack of planning and then ultimately setting ourselves up for failure and not planning an exit strategy. So, building financial literacy requires an open mind, resilience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. It takes time and effort to break old habits and develop your new skills. So, remember, wealth creation involves a certain level of risk tolerance and the ability to think on your feet. Preparation is key. And sometimes, just sometimes, taking a step back allows for a greater leap forward. So think of your financial goals as a moving target. Consider factors like inflation, potential job loss, lifestyle changes, and emergencies. It might seem like a never ending journey, but trust me, the sooner you start tackling your financial clutter, the sooner you'll achieve financial well being. So the more I learn about money, the more I realize it's fleeting in nature. As fast as it comes, that is honestly as fast as it goes. So, this is why her money mentor is so important for us. I understand the struggles you face, both at the bottom and actually on the verge of success. Each challenge presents unique difficulties. I'm here to help you overcome the awkwardness surrounding money and create a safe space for open conversations. So, if this resonates with you and you're ready to take control of your finances, subscribe to my channel and leave a money related question in the comments. See you soon.